everything out there in the market today. How do you decide what you want to use for your business and what you're not going to use for your business? And it's complicated. There's a lot of great platforms out there, a lot of great systems out there that could really help propel your business. However, we have to start thinking from a different prospect, from a different way. So what I'm trying to say is, guys, you need something that's just going to help you get off of the ground. We don't need all of the big, bulky, complex tools. You don't need anything with a learning curve to begin with. And that's exactly why we developed the My Virtual Boss platform. It's made for newer agents, it's made for struggling agents. It's good for everybody, but the price point, the way we've structured everything, think about it for a second. If you had a platform like Bold Trail, okay, that platform will cost you anywhere between $400 and $600 a month. It's a great platform. It's great for agents that are already doing really well in their business, that have transactions, that need, you know, those type of tools. It has automatic drip campaigns, but we're not going to talk about Bold Trail. We're not going to get into details about it. It's something that I believe every agent should have or use in the future. Do I think you should pay for it? No. But most brokerages will pay for it for you. It usually comes as part of the tools package. More importantly, let's talk about getting in the door. So, getting in the door, what we've designed, what we've developed was a system where you have access to expired listings without having to pay the monthly subscription fees of $100 to $150 a month just for expired listings. We've gotten rid of that. You don't need to pay that type of money to begin with. So we've made it super simple. Expired listings are only going to cost you 29 cents. You only have to pay for them when you use them, when you want them, and more importantly, where you want them. There's no reason to pay for expired listings when they're 50 or 60 miles out of your farm area. Let's start off slow. Let's get our feet wet. Let's start working smarter and not harder. So these are the type of systems and the type of things that we've put into our platform, along with a very simple, easy to use CRM. We don't want you guys to fall victim to I say fall victim, but to the automatic drip campaigns. There is no call for it. There's no necessity. If you're only working with a few customers, if you have a small sphere of influence, then you should be making it personal. Meaning, set aside, and in our daily schedule, we have time that's set aside for you to sit down and literally just make those phone calls. Call your customers, call your sphere of influence, talk positively about what's going on in the real estate market. Ask them how they're doing. Remember, you don't want every call to be salesy. You just want to catch up with them. You just want to let them know that you're doing really well and you started your real estate business and things are going great and your future is looking bright. They're going to be excited for you. And of course, in closing with them, you want to say, hey, just do me a favor. If you know anybody that may be interested in buying, selling, or renting, would you pass along my information? That would be awesome. And, we'll catch up soon. It was nice talking to you. Click. But it's the human touch that's going to make the difference between winning and losing. All right. I feel it's my opinion that all of these AI things, all of these drip campaigns, a lot of them just dehumanize relationships. And real estate is based on relationships. So keep those relationships real. Start having conversations with people, whether you know them or you don't know them. It's very, very simple to start a conversation with somebody in your everyday life. It's super, super simple. We'll get more into that in one of our other videos. But to begin with, thank you for joining us here and enjoy the rest of the videos.